Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Coding Environment. If you are new to this channel and interested in computer world, please subscribe my channel to get the latest update. We are living in a computer world where everything is automated, well almost everything. And it is the programs which is making this all possible. So if you are seeing you as a future developer or a programmer and are new to this programming world, which language you should pick it as a beginner? Learning a new programming language is always an investment of your time and brain power. If you are starting your programming career in 2020 or 2021, and if you want to learn your first or second programming language, then it is wise to learn one of the mainstream and established programming language. There are around 600 programming languages currently floating in this world, and the demand and popularity of the programming language fluctuate every year. Also, new programming languages are coming with attractive features. So the burning question is, which programming language to learn in year 2020? I have come up with the list based on the popularity and job opening. So the first programming language in my list is Python. This is the best programming language to start with. Python is widely believed to be the best programming language to learn first. Python is fast and easy to use. It is also commonly used to develop scalable web applications and very easy to deploy. Some of our most well-known and well-used apps are all built in Python. YouTube, Instagram, SurveyMonkey, for example. It opens a whole world of opportunity for full-stack Python developers. According to the popularity of the programming language, Python stands first in the ranking. Also, from the GitHub, it is the second most language used by the developers in current year. If we are seeing the number of openings based on Python in US, it is coming on first place. So if you are learning a language to get a job, start with Python. The places where Python mostly used are in data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, deep learning, enterprise applications, and web applications. The second language in my list is Java. Java is widely used to build enterprise scale web applications. Java has been a popular choice within large organizations for many years. If your end goal is to work within a large organization, Java would be a great programming language to start with. Java is also the language of choice for Android web development, a requirement for any business today owing to the vast number of Android devices users across the globe. Google has created an excellent Java-based Android development framework, Android Studio. Much like Python, Java has an abundance of open source libraries and is ideal for distributing computing. It also offers a lot of APIs for accomplishing different tasks such as database connection, networking, utility, and XML parsing. It is also highly secure. If you are going with according to the popularity of the programming language, it stands second in the ranking. From the GitHub source, the number of developers working on Java today is coming on the third ranking. If you are seeing the number of job opening based on Java in US, it is coming on the second ranking. Java is mainly used in the enterprise application development, Android app development, big data, and web development. The third language coming in my list today is JavaScript. JavaScript is a front-end programming language. It is widely used to construct interactive front-end application. When you click on any button which opens a pop-up, the logic is implemented in JavaScript. Many startup organizations today are using Node.js, which is a JavaScript-based runtime environment. Node.js lets developers use JavaScript for the server-side scripting to produce dynamic web pages. Many startup organizations today are using Node.js, which is JavaScript-based runtime environment. Node.js lets developers use JavaScript for server-side scripting to produce dynamic web page content before the page is sent to the user web browser. Now with JS, you can use a single programming language for server-side and a client-side scripts. Client-side JavaScript is very fast. It runs immediately within the web browser as there is no complication requirement. JavaScript is very rich and gives a very nice aesthetic to the website. It also has to be highly versatile and can be used for building a diverse range of applications. It is the programming language of the web. Working within the JavaScript community will come with a mass resource and a huge level of support. According to the popularity of the programming language, JavaScript is coming on the number 3. If you are seeing the number of codes getting pushed in GitHub, it is coming on the number 1. And on the job side, the number of openings based on JavaScript in US today is around coming at the 3rd. JavaScript is mainly used in the enterprise application development, Android app development, big data, and web development. The 4th programming language coming on my list is C and C++. During the 1960s and 1970s, every cycle of the CPU and every byte of the memory was expensive. Dennis Ritchie, a Bell Lab engineer, has developed a procedural general-purpose programming language that is compiled directly to machine language. During the 1969-1973, C programming language offers low-level access to memory and gives full control over the underlying hardware. Over the years, C became one of the most used programming languages. From the GitHub source side, the number of code getting pushed in GitHub, the number of code pushed in GitHub is coming at the 9th rank. If you see the number of job openings based on C in US in year 2020, it is coming on the 6th rank. The next programming language in today's list and the last one is the PHP. PHP is one of the highly productive server-side web development programming languages. As a PHP is used in web development for the last 35 years, there are many successful and stable PHP frameworks in the market. Many giant companies are using PHP, Facebook, WordPress, which leads to the excellent tooling support for it. On the number of ranking, if we go from the GitHub, it is coming on the 4th rank. And the number of job openings based on PHP in year 2020 is coming below C, which is on the 7th rank. This is all from my side today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.